This video is about networking and collaboration and what I learned about learning from others throughout the EdTech program, and also how I applied that in my professional practice. I experienced networking and collaboration in the EdTech program from the very beginning of the program. I read an article by one of my professors about the benefits of submitting work to a forum rather than a digital Dropbox. I discovered that he was right. I learned more when I got to see how my peers had interpreted the same assignment to fit in their different educational roles. I also felt an increased sense of pride in my own work when I knew that my peers saw and appreciated my ideas. I collaborated with my peers on group projects, and I discovered that when a group of committed professionals collaborate on an instructional resource, we're able to create better work more efficiently. This is an example of a PowerPoint that I made with my peers who live hundreds of miles away from me. We were able to use digital tools to collaborate seamlessly across the miles. In several of my classes, we have kept learning logs. I find that most of my peers use the same learning log for several classes. By following them in Google Plus and WordPress, I have been able to follow their progress through the program, as they have taken courses that are the same and also different from me. In some cases, I have been able to pick up ideas from courses that I didn't take simply by reading my peers' learning logs. I applied this lesson in collaboration in my own classes. I began asking students to submit their work to forums, like this one. I observed that they took pride in sharing their work with others. I developed peer review systems so that they could challenge each other to do their best work. I also developed a project in which I challenged my students to showcase their best work on a blog. Before I started the EdTech program, I typically had students submit assignments in a digital Dropbox kind of way for the teacher's eyes only. The EdTech program has helped me consider the vast potential that we can tap into when we ask students to share their work.